Ladies and gentlemen, there was a fire around here, I heard a boom. I didn't know what the hell it was. It's this car right here, y'all. So the fire department is putting everything out. I guess everything is cool now. You know, I called 911 to report it, and the fire department was already on the way. All right. All right. Well, okay. I don't know what the hell. Because to me, that's a crime to set things like that, you know? So, I don't know if this is going to go viral or what, you know? So the thing is, you got to be careful sometimes, you know? Fires can spread, you know? New Orleans Fire Department is out here, you know? All right, not time to stop the tape.